Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express of my fantastic art family. I hope you all just watched Shambi. Now, didn't you just love her jeans last week? If you didn't watch that video, go back and watch it, because I think that's every painter's dream. You know, you accidentally wear them clothes that you shouldn't have, get paint on them, paint over it, and turn them back into something you can wear again. Top idea, Shan. Love it. And this week we have the fantastic Pattie. Now, I love Pattie. I have followed Pattie from when she very first popped her head up on Facebook, and her work is just absolutely amazing. She is so much fun, so full of positivity, and just downright real, huh? So if you haven't subscribed to her channel, head on over, check her out. She is fantastic. So this week I'm going to take you through, I'm going to do a big it's about a 20-inch one, this one, skin. And what I'm doing is, I've got these set of stools upstairs that I actually, my father gave to me, and they were the first set of stools that my dad bought when he bought his very first home. So they are really old, still in fabulous condition. But I'm sort of thinking of leaving the rest, so they're just like a pine stool. I'll put a pic up on the screen so you can actually see what I'm talking about. And I thought, just on the seat part, and it'd look really cool with a beachy sort of colour swipe on top of it. So I thought I could put something, a little bit of me, on something that sort of set off Dad's first dream and bring it together. I reckon they're going to look cool. So this one's going to be a work in progress, so keep following, because I reckon it's going to turn out pretty cool. So Wombat is going to stick some tunes on. I'm going to go get messy.
Like poison in my veins, this love for you is dangerous. Makes me go insane, the feeling is glorious. Pulling like an undertow, you've got me heart and soul. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything for you. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I give it all, throw it all away. Feel you like a cold rush. I'll do anything for you. I give everything, I'll do anything for you. I give everything, I'll do anything for you. I give everything, I'll do anything for you. Everything for you. I give 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 everything. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything, I do anything for you. I will guide you home. Yeah, I will guide you home. I will guide you home. Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control.
Alrighty, well, I'm pretty happy with how she spun out. I got some really cool triple layer blues in themselves that are really pretty with the really nice copper. Now the reason I use just a little slither of copper in a spiral is just so it gets those really nice, like just a little bit of copper around the cell, as you can see, but it's not taken over. And as the light goes on it, it just really shines bright around the cells, gives it that little bit of a, to me on blues, gives it that real beach feel with the sand. So I hope you enjoyed that one this week, guys. I'm pretty happy with how that one turned out, so that might just make it on a stool. I am just going to keep at these. I need three perfect skins, because they've got to do Dad's stools justice, right? Because that was the beginning of his dream and his family. So it's going to be good. Stay tuned. We got this. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Go get messy.